Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC and the overall market, get ready, guys, because today things should heat right back up. See, last week we had two of the best performing days on Thursday and Friday after we seen the CPI inflation data report came in better than expected. Inflation is in fact cooling off, and that in returns helped the market run up severely, guys. Also, we know during midterm elections, that's also regardless of what sides take full control, that also an indication of a bullish market as well during these times. So, and on top of that, we know the market is well oversold. Large cap tech companies down over 70-80% from their highs, some of them even 90. We know it's well oversold, guys, for it. So that's also another factor that's going into play, which ties back into price action of things that regardless, the market is, well overdue to run. Also, guys, be on the lookout for Trump. Trump should be announcing that he'll be running for 2024 president election in 2024, guys. So that also going to put a dictation on the market. So be looking out for that as well. So the Dow futures jumped more than 350 points as another report hints that inflation could be slowing. Stock futures rose Tuesday after another report signaled that inflation could be slowing, and a rally could soon happen in stocks. Futures tied. The Dow Jones average rose 362 points. The S&P 500 futures added 2.1%. The NASDAQ 100 futures gained 2.8%, guys. So if we go ahead and take a look right here, we know Walmart stock surge would add about 70 points to the Dow, heads for its biggest post-earnings gain in 4 years. So Walmart shot up 7% in that pre-market Tuesday in the wake of better than expected third quarter results, and the $3 billion IPO'd settlement enough to pace the Dow Jones gainers ahead of the open. So we got Walmart moving up in the pre-market, guys. You got Tilray moving up in the pre-market, Carvana. So a lot of stocks moving up in the pre-market, giving us an indication that the market on yesterday was just digesting itself, cooling off a bit after having that, the best run we've seen in the past 5 or 6 months in this market, guys. So as I told you guys, be prepared, because once this thing turns around, it's going to be like, whoa, 40% spikes in a single day. And if you in options, you're going to see hundreds of percentage of a return in a single day. Like I told you guys, get in VIP. We made a crazy banger play on yesterday, made over 180% in a matter of an hour on ticker symbol XELA. They reported earnings in the after hours. That's why it fell down. It fell back. I told you guys, prepare for that. That's why you want to, buy in anticipation of earnings, and before earnings and release, you sell. Sit to on the sidelines, wait for a reaction to happen, and then if you want to get back in, or however the case may be. So anyways, we made a over 180% return on that stock on yesterday, guys. It's still holding up fairly well. Surprised by how it's holding up. It could possibly take off again on today, but once we make money off it the first time, definitely don't try to, especially penny stocks. You don't have to try and continue to do the same, because there's new penny stocks that pop up daily that we could have a better advantage on than trying to piggyback off the same one. Because usually, when you make money off something, you'll continue to put money into it, and you end up losing all you made and a little bit more. So learn how to make money off securities and assets and move along, especially if they aren't, assets that you should be keeping on your watch list forever, meaning trading stuff like Meta, Tesla, or, big companies. So with that being said, guys, make sure you move smart, meticulously. With penny stocks, whenever I do call them out, you want to get in, get out very strategically with a small loss or a nice little gain. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, because AMC, it did fairly well on yesterday, breaking through that $8 barrier, running its highs around $8.20, I want to say, or a little more. It's up over 5.9% in the pre-market already. Ran up and hit that 8 again in the pre-market. Hit 797 on the chart, but I'm pretty sure it probably popped a little bit above 8. And now it's holding up, guys. And like I told you guys on yesterday, we want to see AMC hold up in that 750-ish range. We didn't want to break below that too much, because it would send us around 690, the low sevens, and we did held up there fairly well, right around $7.40. That was close to 750, and being for the fact that we already got that head start in the pre-market and started heading up, that's a great sign to where we ain't got to fight with it once the bell open. So once the bell do open, we want to see us run up and attack that 8 aggressively, guys, and try and push through it. I do believe we will push through it on today, being for the fact that the overall market is up. We got some large cap companies up as well. And like I say, the market and the economy is waiting on Trump announcement, guys, because that's also going to put a dictation on the market. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. Go.